Okay, that is all that I have for you on the Curry 8. Oh my god. Cut. Greetings, everyone. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. Today we're doing yet another review, and I think this one is a pretty cool one. I've been looking forward to this one for a few weeks now, but before we get into that, I do have to put you guys on notice. We cracked 450 subscribers. We're like so close to being so close to 500. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, tell your grandma about it, keep watching the videos, and the channel will grow. And we'll be able to do cooler things in the future. Now, if you're a basketball fan, you know that this past weekend was All-Star Weekend. In the past, it was a full weekend. But this year, because of all the things going on, they crammed all of All-Star Weekend into just one Sunday. So you had all the best basketball players in one arena. And of course, Steph Curry was there to steal the show. Steph walked away as the winner of the three-point contest wearing the Under Armour Curry 8 International Women's Day. So this sneaker released via UnderArmour.com along with two other new Curry pairs. Curry is not playing. He's coming for your money this year. The other two pairs were the Zen Flow and the Wish Flow. But the International Women's Day pair stood out to me not only because it has a bright upper and just looks a little more flashy than the other two, but also because the shoe is showing respect to all the great women out there, whether you're a basketball player or not, really highlighting an important day for very, very important people. This video, of course, will be dropping after International Women's Day, but if you're seeing this, do something special for the women in your life. Let them know that you appreciate them. Maybe even buy them a pair of the International Women's Day. So as always, with the Curry 8, you have this super fine knit base going all around. This one is really cool because of this bright poppy lavender or fuchsia. I'm not really sure what color that is, but it is such a beautiful color going all around the base of this shoe. On the front, you have these beautifully crafted laces. I really like these laces that are in the Curry 8. I think the Beautiful Flow had the coolest laces so far, but this is definitely sitting in second. Right at the top of the sock liner, you have a pull tab at the front, just showing off that Curry brand logo. And on the side of the shoe, you have this synthetic leather stretching all the way from the front of the shoe to the back. And there again, you see that Curry brand logo on the side. Flipping the shoe to the back, starting from the top, you have yet another pull tab extending from the sock liner, and this time it just says Curry. Right underneath that, you have this plastic plate at the back. It displays 3 stars out of 5 because Steph Curry was a 3-star recruit coming out of high school, and he's blossomed into an NBA All-Star, superstar, legend. And then right underneath that, you get your first taste of some Under Armour branding on the Curry 8 right there on that sole. Flipping the shoe to the medial side, you have a little bit more of that synthetic leather stretched right there on the heel counter. And underneath that, you can see a little more Under Armour branding as it says Under Armour Flow. And of course, they are using Flow for the sole on the Curry 8. And the sole is the main component for this shoe. Not only did they want to make the Curry 8 lighter for Steph Curry to play in, but they also wanted the traction to be on 100. You have an immaculate traction pad on the sole of the Curry 8. So many different designs in here. There's the circles, and there's these little patches that kind of go in loops up here, and there's the parallels. There's so much going on the sole of the Curry 8, but it does work. It has great traction on the hardwood, and you can also play outdoors in it. I would say it's more effective on hardwood. That's what it was made for, but you can definitely still hoop in the Curry 8s outdoor.
Okay.
Now that I've talked your ears off on all the specifics with the Curry 8, let's slap these on foot and see what they look like. terms of sizing for the Curry 8, I find that going true to size is perfect for me. I do like a snug fit for a basketball shoe. I don't really want my foot moving around too much in there. I kind of just like to be in place. And this shoe does have a little bit of extra cushioning at the back that kind of bumps your foot up just the slightest. But if you have a wide foot, you may want to go up a half size or walk into an Under Armour and try on the shoe first before purchasing. So I mentioned I really like this fuchsia purplish colorway that is going on the base. I must admit, it's not heavily detailed. It's really just they colored the base, and then you have that same sole that you're going to be seeing on all the Curry 8. I would have loved for them to do something a little more jazzy with this design, maybe throw in some grays, maybe some lime green. I think you could have really spiced up this shoe and made it one of the better colorways for the Curry 8. I know that Steph Curry and Under Armour have done a Women's Day pair in the past, and again, that was just kind of like splashing in of some sort of purplish fuchsia. But the last pair did have like some gray or some black in there, and I think that would have been great on this one. I've talked in the past about Curry 8 releases having sentimental value and that kind of making them a little more special than they are in appearance. And while the base is great on this one, I don't think it's an amazing colorway, but we did just see Steph Curry win the three-point contest wearing this, and I think that's definitely going to drive this up and make this a more special release for the Curry 8, in addition to the fact that this pair is for Women's Day. I kind of just noticed that for this drooping back with the Curry 8, for some reason it reminds me of the Cheos or Chows, whatever they're called, in Sonic, those little baby creatures. But yeah, that is all that I have on the Under Armour Curry 8 International Women's Day flow. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker. Let me know how you guys would rank those 3 releases that came out on March 5th, the Zen Flow, Wish Flow, and the International Women's Day flow. But thank you guys, as always, for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, leave a comment shouting out one special woman in your life for International Women's Day. And yeah, we're very close to 500. Maybe we'll be there by sometime in 2022. Thank you guys. Peace.